My name is Sergio, and then I represent Louver Shop. Plantation shutters, blinds, and shades, all made here in the United States. With Plantation shutters, you can direct the light. Our Louver Wood, which is our solid poly material, is up to 3 times more energy efficient than real wood. We also got the wood shutters. We can do stain, paint, any color, any size, any shape. We're local here in Fort Lauderdale. We service from the Keys all the way up to Port St. Lucie. And then we also are in the West Coast, Orlando, Jacksonville. We like to make sure every house looks beautiful. Basically, we schedule a free home consultation. We send one of us, like me. We measure the windows. We discuss about the products that we can put in those windows. We give a lifetime warranty to every product that we sell, especially on the paint finish, against warping, cracking, peeling, discoloring. You want to come over here to the home shows and then meet us. Sergio, Louver Shop, Plantation Shutters and Window Treatments.